subscribe for some videos from our channel, guys. And remember to click the bell icon to see more trusting videos from our channel. Hello beautiful girls, welcome to Fashion Trends, and today in our video we are going to be saying about what are the beautiful and contrast jewelry designs for your beautiful silk sarees, guys. So today in our video we are going to be seeing about what are the jewelry designs, where can these beautiful jewelry designs can be worn, and I'm also going to be talking about how do they look perfect in your silk sarees. So let's go into the whole video. But before we go, remember to like to our channel. Remember to like to our videos, guys. Talking about how do they look so adorable, guys. And when you follow on with these beautiful pearls and this color jewelry, they look totally amazing and they're adorable too. And particularly these color jewelry represent a beautiful color of your silk saree, or the one color which is contrast to your silk saree, which looks totally awesome and adorable. So, talking about what are the beautiful and the awesome events can these beautiful jewelry can be worn. You can try wearing it for engagements, weddings, parties, farewells, and a lot like these. And you can also wear it where you wear a silk saree. Talking about what are the beautiful jewelry ideas you can try wearing on with previous and beautiful jewelry designs like a gold jewelry. You can try wearing on the colored jewelry, guys. You can try wearing on the bright colors like green, red, blue, pink, which is so good. Or you can try going on with beautiful and glitterish colors like gold, which also looks perfect. You can also try going on with pearls, guys, which looks so good and so elegant. And if you wear a white silk saree or the glittery silk saree, you can try going on with these pearls, which look so adorable, elegant, and royal. You can also try with different designs or different patterns. You can also try going on with layered jewelry, which looks so awesome and so adorable. So hope you guys really enjoyed this, guys, and if you really did, remember to like to our channel, remember to like to our videos. So bye, guys.